In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Etsy purchase protection in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy purchase protection helps you get a refund or replacement if your order doesn't arrives damaged, or is very different from what was described. Now, if you want to use Etsy purchase protection, here's what to do. Start by checking if your order is eligible. Your order usually qualifies if the item wasn't delivered, arrived damaged, or doesn't match the description. Also, it must be paid through Etsy checkout and still be within the protection time frame. Next, contact the seller first. Etsy requires this before you can open a case. Go to your profile, open Purchases and Reviews, select your order and click Help with Order. Then send a clear message explaining the issue. After that, wait for the seller's response. Most sellers respond within 48 hours and may offer a solution like a replacement or refund. If the issue isn't resolved, go back to your order and submit a help request. Etsy will keep a record of your communication. Finally, if needed, you can open a case. Choose the reason such as item not received, damaged, or not as described. Etsy will review the situation and decide on a refund or resolution. That's it. Etsy purchase protection gives you extra confidence when shopping, knowing you're covered if something goes wrong.